He walked where others feared to tread, driven by a silent resolve.
Every shadow held a threat, every gust of wind a whispered warning. Each step was a testament to their unwavering will.
The elements themselves seemed to conspire against them, yet their spirit remained unbroken.
In the quiet, they gathered the strength needed for the trials yet to come.
The path demanded persistence, and they possessed it in abundance. Before them lay a world as unforgiving as their own past. Though the journey was long, a distant purpose still guided their steps.
With every ounce of their being, they pressed onward.
Their path was one of quiet endurance, a testament to the strength found within.